Hi, there's something new to tell you. So when you take it in a service centre, what will happen is they include their own pin. Stay tuned, I'm going to tell you all about it. I'm going to tell you right now.
Mal's back talking Tesla. To see the enhancements made to my Tesla and how to update yours, please subscribe to the channel and you can message me with suggestions or for help.
Now, if you've got your own pin on there, what they said is when you drive away from the geofence position, it will revert back to your pin. And if you don't have a pin, it will just revert back to nothing. Well, I have a pin locked in here, and at the moment it's asking for their pin. So let me just show you what I mean. So at the moment, if we look, I want to put the pin to drive in. It wants me to enter the pin. Well, their pin is this one. Now let me show you. 8117. And that's in, right? So that's their pin. Now, so I'm going to
You are now connected and the phone is charging.
Thank you. I'm going to test it and see if that's the case. Interestingly, it's another thing that they add into the system to make your car safer when it comes in the service centre. And how clever is that? It makes the car even more safer that you're not leaving it with a pin. They are putting their own pin in. And of course, they say that when you drive away, we're going to see if that works. So hopefully when I drive away from here, I should be able to put my own pin back in it and it will be fine. But we're going to find out and I shall show you. Okay, so the way to check it, we're going to go into car and into safety and security. And here we go, pin. Pin to drive, we'll take it off. And their number was 8117, and it's saying enter pin because it doesn't accept it. So let's put mine in and it works. Something else that Tesla can do that no one else can, they can add a pin or take it away even when you're driving. How good is that?
Thanks for watching, and do tell us in the comments section that you subscribed, and we can then contact you if you're the winner when the prize is drawn.
Quack, quack. Oops.